रेलवे मंत्रालय ने बड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है हाल फिलहाल में सोशल मीडिया पे एंड अदरवाइज टू get the citizens involved in multiple ways through MyGov, yes, as is give the example of contribution in the budget, but otherwise also from the Twitter feed, directly taking people's grievance sometimes and when they are in distress. So considering what he said and giving your example, how do you look at the involvement of citizens to make railways even more citizen friendly, user friendly, so that they become modern and in tune with our aspirations in the 21st century?
सबसे पहले मैं
It's on, you can speak.
सबसे पहले मैं अखिलेश और माईगव इंडिया के पूरे टीम को बधाई देता हूं कि माईगव का जो इनिशिएटिव है, इट हैज़ एक्चुअली ब्रॉट द डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन इन द कंट्री एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया has taken a clue out of that, and they have also taken initiative in their field, respective fields. Similarly, the railways, as the other panelists also discussed about the data analytics, data mining and all those things, railway also understood the need to analyze the data, to interact with the citizen, to give a platform for the citizen engagement. I think a year back the railway had set up a social media cell, which has now grown up into a big size. Today's the number of Twitter followers in the railways is almost around 1.4 million, which is, I think, one of the largest, the government initiative in this field. Similarly, the Facebook, the railway has more than 1 million likes. So after looking into all those things, it was felt that why not to bring a very robust platform on which all the suggestions of the citizens, passengers, all the stakeholders for that matter, they can give their suggestion, let the suggestions be analyzed and taken to a logical conclusion. I would just like to narrate that how our system has started working in the last 4 or 5 months. Now we have a social media cell which takes all the feeds, categorizes them into actionable, non-actionable. If it is an actionable feed in the system, then they also analyze whether it is a short-term assistance sought by any passenger or any public, or is it a long-term suggestion or a short-term suggestion? Is it a policy intervention? All these things are analyzed and routed to a different channels of, the system. And I am very proud to say this thing. Now the system has stabilized. Now we know that which are the, the pitfalls, which are the areas where railway needs to actually improve upon. And the railway minister himself, he is very, social media savvy. He has always been asking me that how to improve. And as a result of that, he had already announced in the railway budget also to have an integrated app. Two things he had announced in the railway budget. One was the integrated app for any kind of ticket booking in the railway, whether it is a reserved ticket or an unreserved ticket or any kind of thing. Another is an integrated app for making suggestion, complaints, asking any assistance. So I can proudly say that maybe within a span of 2-3 months, we are going to launch both the apps. Unlike the previous, this government is very proactive and they are very, meaning to implement these ideas.